I found an AI tool that can help you make almost about $5,000 per month on TikTok, being it the TikTok creativity program or the TikTok shop for creators. Before we start with the whole video, take a look at this.
Hi, my name is Noah, and there's something you might not know about me. I'm not a real person. Earl Jones created me using a powerful AI tool to demonstrate how to create someone like me and make money online. Just subscribe to the channel to learn more.
Now, this is so amazing that you can't even detect whether this guy is a human being or an AI talking to you. And now you might be wondering, where can I use this AI avatar to make money on TikTok? Well, I'm going to take you through step-by-step tutorial on how you can do this. And this is a sample video that I created for a product I was promoting on one of my TikTok shops.
If your high cortisol is obvious, if your jawline is missing, and you're overthinking all the little things, find it really hard to drop 2 dress sizes.
You can see that this video is very engaging and it tells a story. And the big question is, what if this video went viral? These are a group of people sharing results of how much they made with a TikTok shop affiliate. And you can also do it too.
I've made $167,000 on TikTok shop so far this month.
Okay, there may or may not be a wage gap, but on TikTok, there's a wage gap. My sister is number 3 on the platform. In the month of July, she sold $1 million worth of products on this freaking app.
I'm in a TikTok shop affiliate, and due to my location, I'm not exceeding the results that I want to achieve. You can also use this tool for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts to create faceless pages or channels, and you can make money with it. You can also promote Amazon products, which is Amazon affiliates, and XC products, and even in dropshipping, where you can use this tool for your Shopify store to promote your products. To create such realistic AI talking avatars like this, you'll be using a professional AI tool that I found called VidAU. VidAU is an AI video generator that simplifies the video creation process. It empowers you to use product links or descriptions to generate videos with multilingual avatars as your engaging spokesperson. It's perfect for creating TikTok videos, YouTube videos, marketing, training videos, and even ads. VidAU is not only for creating AI avatars, it has a lot of features that I'm about to explore with you in a few minutes. To create such content like this for TikTok shop, we need to know the viral product that is trending currently. And so we're going to use a TikTok shop analytics tool. This tool right here is called TikStar, and it's a TikTok shop analytics tool. You can find the most viral products to promote on TikTok. So right here, I'm going to sign in and click on product library under products and select the most viral products. Within the last 7 days, these are the viral products on TikStar, which is trending on TikTok. Okay, so it's a TikTok shop analytics tool. You can also use it for TikTok creativity program. So this is the viral product trending, and here it's by Goli Nutrition, and this is Goli Ashwagandha Vitamin D Gummy, which is trending. Within the past 7 days, it has almost about 100,000 sales, 19.4 million views, 1.6k influencers promoting the product, 5.1k videos, and then it has a commission rate of 15%, which is a very good product. Okay, so this is the graph for it, the graph for sales and revenue, and you can determine how much they are making. And these are videos by creators. You can copy these videos and replicate them as a content creator using this AI. Okay, so this is a product page, and I currently do not have a VPN on, so it's not showing. So I'm going to copy it and head on to VidAU and paste the link in there. I'm going to click on generate videos, and right here it's going to tell you that unable to recognize this link. Okay, so it's only for Amazon, Shopify, and XC, but we have the same product on Amazon right here. So I'm going to copy Amazon's link, and then once we generate the video, it will be posted on TikTok. I hope you get me. Right, so I posted the Amazon link in here, and then I click on generate, and AI is generating the video. Okay, so right, it's going to give you the product name, product description, and images, videos to create the content with. And so if you do not like anything, you can change it here. And yeah, so this is the product name, product description. It gave me 9 images, and the video is 4 videos, so you can watch the videos and delete some videos from it. In this case, I'm going to leave it blank, and I'm going to click on next. Okay, the video is for TikTok, so it's 9:16 ratio, and the video length, you can set it to either 15 seconds or 30 seconds. Language is English, and then the target audience, which is women, men, and I think students and beauty enthusiasts. From here, I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to generate the script for it. Okay, so the AI is generating the script. Let's wait for a while, and this is the script. right? So we have an AI script and then do it yourself script where you can input your own script right there if you have a script or you are good with script writing. So this is it. You can input your own script right here, and this is the AI script, and read through to see if it best suits you or you want to make some changes. And right here you can select between two of these scripts, which is very simple, and these are 15-second scripts. I'm going to click on next and I'm going to select the first script. So here we want to select visual style and how we are going to do this. Okay, so you can see an avatar talking right there, and so you select the one that best suits you. All right, so right here I'm going to look through to select one, and I think I'm going to select this one. Okay, let me play it, and you can see a talking avatar right here. So I'm going to click on edit, and once I'm in edit, I can edit the script, I can edit the voice, subtitles, I can change the avatar, change the images, and change the background. Okay, so this is the voice, Sarah, Laura, Charlotte, and you can change the voices. This is the subtitles. You can change it to best suit how you want it to be. Okay, so there is a script as well, and you can change the script to suit your preference. This is the avatar. You can switch the avatar to anyone you like, and I change it to Daniel. Okay, the guy you saw initially in the video. This is the image. You can change images right here. They have pre-made images. You can also import images into it, and this is a product image as well. You can click right here to import a product image if you do not have it on the website or in the editing section. All right, so I have everything I need for rendering, so I'm going to click on render for the video to be rendered. It says AI generating, please wait, and it takes approximately 5 seconds. It's going to take 20 credits. Okay, I have 180 credits, so it's going to take 20 out of it, and we can check back after some few minutes. Our AI video is generating, and after some few minutes of waiting, these are the results.
Tired of the same old stress? Discover the calming power of Goli Ashwagandha gummies. With KSM 66 for pure relaxation, it's time to unwind naturally. Say goodbye to anxiety and hello to peace.
It's going to surprise you that such a video like this can go viral on TikTok and hit almost about 5 million views, and it's going to generate you sales on the TikTok shop. I've seen several videos like this on TikTok going viral, so don't underestimate this AI too. Now, if you do not like this style of creating the video, I have another style that I use where I only use the avatar to create the videos and then add overlays to it. To do this, I'm going to go on to ChatGPT and I'm going to prompt it. I am going to give you a product name and its description. Write a script about the product for a marketing video. Make sure to construct the script based on personal experience. All right, so this is the prompt. You can copy the same prompt. It's very simple to write. I'm going to set it to 30-second script. Okay, and then I'm going to paste the product name and product description right here on ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT 4, so it's going to construct better scripts for me. All right, so I'm going to click on enter, and GPT is going to generate a script for me. Now, one thing about TikTok Shop is they are very cautious or very serious when it comes to exaggerated content or misleading content. This is a health supplement, and so we want to be extra careful when it comes to the script. We do not want to say anything that is not true. Okay, this is the script, and then reading it, I can see there are a lot of exaggerated content or misleading content in the initial script that ChatGPT 4 generated for us. So what we need to do is that we need to prompt ChatGPT so that it corrects some of these exaggerated content or exaggerated sentences in the script. So I'm going to come right here and check the script for any exaggerated or misleading content. So from there, I'm then going to read through if I made any mistakes, and it's cool. So I'm going to click on enter, and you can see here that GPT it's generating and finding mistakes in the initial script. Okay, so the revised script, and this is the revised script. This is the final script we'll be using for the video. Okay, so I'm going to copy this script and head on to VidAU. All right, so from here, I'm going to go to AI avatar, and then this is the AI avatar. They have a list of avatars right here. We have Elena, Luna, Scarlett, and Lucy. And these are the first 4. So I'm going to select Luna, and here you can paste the script. You can check the ratio if it is 9:16. The language is set to English, and this is the avatar. You can change the avatar. So I'm going to paste the script right there and click on generate video. And it's going to take you to where you can edit it. You can edit the voice, subtitles, avatar, And yeah, so here I can click on any of the voices right here and select it. You can play the voice by clicking on the play icon right there, and there are a list of voices right here that you can select from. We're going to go to the subtitles, and here also you can change the subtitles. Here I'm going to click the I to disable it. Here you can make any changes in the script as well, and click on render video, and there are a list of avatars right here that you can select from. Okay, so I'm gonna set it to Luna, and once you click on any avatar, it's going to change. Okay, so the next thing to do is that we need to render the video. You can add your avatar as well. You can see the option that says add my avatar, so that is what you can do right here. Most of the cases I would like to resize the video to fit the 9:16 ratio for TikTok, or maybe Instagram or YouTube Shorts, wherever you're uploading it. Okay, so yes, you can see that I've adjusted it to fit the 9:16 ratio. I'm going to click on render, and it's going to take 75 credits from my credits, and we're going to wait for like 3 minutes.
Life can get stressful, and I used to feel it every day, until I found these. The Goli ashwagandha gummies have made a real difference for me. Not only are they vegan...
What I mostly love to do is that there are lots of people using the same avatars on our TikTok platform. And so VidAU has an AI face swap tool in their video section. So I'm going to use this face swap tool to change the face of our avatar to make it look different from all the ordinary ones. So right here, I'm going to go to VidAU's homepage, and then I'm going to select face swap. From here, these are the simple steps you can follow. Upload the video clip of the character you want to face swap, choose the face you want to swap with just one click. You let video generate the videos for you. You can save and share your results. Right here, I'm going to upload the video of the AI avatar we generated right here, and I'm going to import it to VidAU. Now the video is going to be uploaded, and let's wait for a while for the video to be uploaded. Now we are in the editing section, and this is the editing section to face swap the character. There are default faces here. I don't want to use that one as well. I have generated a face of a model. Okay, so these are model settings. I love to leave it like this because I don't want the face to be more uglier than it looks. So we have the skin and everything here. I just want to leave it like that. I don't want any problem with the face because these models are beautiful. So I'm going to select and upload the model right here. And let me just go through and select the model. This is the model right here. So I'm going to face swap the default model with this face. Okay, so yeah, the video is going to be uploaded onto the platform, and from here I'm going to select it to face swap it. Okay, I'm going to leave the model settings as it is, and then I'm going to go to face settings and then select the face. I'm going to click on make preview right here. You can see that we are swapping this face with the other face, and I'm going to click on make preview. All right, so this is it. I'm going to click on generate, and it's going to take 20 credits. So click on confirm, and we're going to wait for a while. And that is the results.
Life can get stressful, and I used to feel it every day, until I found these. The Goli ashwagandha gummies have made a real difference for me. Not only are they vegan, gluten-free, and made with KSM 60.
So this is the results for the face swapping. We have generated a different avatar that does not look like the default one we have on VidAU. Now the tool does not only create avatar or do face swapping, it has other options. So I'm going to take you to the toolbar so that we see some other things that the AI tool can offer. Okay, these are the plans for VidAU, and we have a free membership. We have a basic and the other one. So for the free membership, you get 5 credits, access to a core platform, URL, products to video, 50 realistic avatar, and text to speech, and other options right there. So you can explore. This is the basic plan, $9.9 monthly, and they have a promotion or a discount right there. You can purchase this. What is currently trending on the platform, so you can use this. These are the options of what you get from that plan. Okay. So yeah, we also have the business plan, which is $80 per month, and here you have 800 credits monthly, and you can go through the rest and find which plan that best suits you. Okay, my take on VidAU. What I can say is that with the rise of these AI tools, you can quickly and rapidly start a business online and make money within like 4 weeks. And as you can see, I did everything in this video without even having any knowledge about it. I think the tool is an awesome tool, and I'll leave links in the description. It can help you make money with a TikTok shop or even with a TikTok creativity program, because you can use the avatar there to create other content on TikTok and get it monetized so that you can get paid by TikTok. I'm gonna leave links in the description to the platform if you want it. There's a free membership that you can sign up where you get 5 credits to create content. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Earl Jones, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do your best and subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.